Hello everyone, welcome to Programmers Divine Little Talk portion. So in this portion we are going to see about data frames in R programming. Do you know data frames in R language are generic data objects of R, so which is used to store the tabular data. So what are the tabular data we have? We can use these data frames to store and interpret this data with the help of columns and rows. We can easily separate the data and can form data easily. That is the main concept of data frames. Since R programming is a rich framework for data science creation, so data science we need to include to think about tabular data structures. So we need to think about rows and columns, so which will have separate data of each one. So we can create a data frames with the help of data.frame, which is used to form the data. So we can feed the data frames with the help of with the help of objects. We can easily create the data frames and feed our data into it. So what are all the things we can do with data frames is like we can extract data from data frame, we can expand the data frame in our language, and we can access the items in our data frame. We can also increase the amount of rows and columns, and we can also add rows and columns separately in data frames, and we can remove rows and columns. We can combine data frames, we can combine two or more data tables into one. Like that, many things is possible to these data frames, which is very useful while we are working on data science. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Divine. Please subscribe my channel.